everyone, my name is Michael and I'm a Senior Executive Management Producer here at IW, and today we're excited to bring you brand new announcements that will improve your experience playing Call of Duty Ghosts.
Squad member active, that's what's up. What up though, my name is Big Snoop D-O-double-G and I'm here live and direct with the Call of Duty Ghost version, doing my voice. You dig? Check it out.
You know, man, I was thinking we should get the whitest person on our team to do Snoop Dogg's intro. You wanna? Okay, hold on. Chrissy! Chrissy, come here!
We're here today recording Snoop, and he's doing the MP announcer package.
Hey, Mike! Mike, come here. Listen how Chrissy says Snoop Dogg.
We're here today recording Snoop.
I
can't. No, we're leaving it in. We're leaving it in.
Rack up points by reaching the enemy portal, you dig? What interests me the most about the project is that my voice can be connected with a game that's so hip and so hood. It takes concentration to put together a blunt.
Smoke weed every day.
Cap 'em and shank 'em. Yeah, Chris A.
I'm also very excited to announce we're not just stopping with Snoop Dogg, we're actually going to expand the voice packs to include the very popular Major League Gaming Shit Talk pack. Whoa! 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 Not only that, but for you montage makers out there, we've added a sound pack for no scopes only. That's right! Get no scopes! Get no scopes! We're confident that these three voice packs are really gonna bring you guys back to Call of Duty Ghosts. We haven't touched much under the hood of the game or changed anything about how it plays at all, but the announcer pack is the first step in a long line of downloadable content changes that will slowly but surely improve the game, maybe. Thank you guys for watching, and as always, download our content.
Look at my bank account.
What's going on, guys? My name is Jericho and welcome to the Road to Going Positive, where I play COD 4 Pro Mod against people who actually take the game seriously and I try and do well.